equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery in your Rowenta RR7635WO vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta RR7635WO model. You can find these batteries at most appliance stores or online. Begin by ensuring your vacuum cleaner is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now, you will see the battery compartment. Carefully disconnect the old battery by pulling out the connectors. If you encounter any resistance, use your pliers to gently wiggle the connectors free. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery service at your home can make this process easier for you. With the old battery removed, it's time to clean the compartment. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery. Once cleaned, take your new battery and connect it to the connectors. Make sure it's securely attached. After connecting the new battery, replace the back cover of the vacuum cleaner. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a quick inspection to ensure everything looks good. Plug it in and turn it on to test the new battery. If it powers up without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Rowenta RR7635WO vacuum cleaner. If you encounter any problems during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Our service is designed to be hassle-free, with no calls and no travel required. You can simply book a service online and we'll take care of the rest. In summary, replacing the battery in your Rowenta RR7635WO vacuum cleaner is a straightforward task that can be completed with a few tools and some patience. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it running efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.